Hello, welcome to our channel. This is Bella from Transport China. Today I'm going to introduce you TA-HHT 5 Handheld Terminal. TA-HHT is a product series of handheld terminal tailored by Transport China to improve the efficiency of the on-site measurement, data collection, and facility electricians. TA-HHT is developed and produced by Transport China and is equipped with our independently developed professional meter reading software TA-HHT, which can better read water, electricity, heat, and gas meter data. Our TA-HHT has the following advantages. First, it can work normally in harsh environments. Transport China's TA-HHT has a 10th IP65 certification, which can achieve waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Second, in the case of no signal in remote areas, TA-HHT can provide intercom functions to make contact anytime and anywhere. Third, TA-HHT is lighter and more convenient, making it more suitable for on-site meter reading, as we are compatible with all practical meters and also be used in water meters, heat meters, and gas meters essential. Fourth, we accept OEM and ODM, color, logo, and language customization. Next, I will show you the operation of the built-in software TA-HHT. Firstly, open the software TA-HHT, then click Login, and then fill in the information according to your meter manufacturer, model, and protocol. After operation is completed, the meter can be read. Secondly, by clicking on the meter reading, we can quickly and accurately read the electricity consumptions and peak electricity consumptions during the corresponding time period of the meter you have identified. Finally, the data can be saved until the next cycle or directly uploading to the cloud. Last but not least, there are three models in the Transport China's TA-HHT series, namely TA-HHT 5, TA-HHT 6, and TA-HHT. So let me introduce the following three differences to you. TA-HHT 5 has a large screen to make it easy to operate and also has the function of the scanning QR code and GPS locating. Compared to the HHT 5, TA-HHT 6 is smaller, lighter, and more convenient to carry. In addition, there is an infrared thermal imaging function that can accurately locate and identify leakage situations. TA-HHT-A adopts dual 5G network signals, which is more comprehensive and accurate. That is all for this episode. If you have any problems about using or want to know more about our products, you are welcome to contact by the email address in the comment and go to our website. Have a good day.
World leader in smart metering data collection and calibration.